This is the xMOWi T3 wireless gaming earbuds by PLEXTONE at only $11. How does it fare? Let's find out right now. Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So my channel mainly focuses on reviewing and testing budget and affordable wireless earbuds to help you to decide before you hit the buy button. Without further ado, let's get into the things I like about the xMOWi T3 wireless earbuds and the things which can be improved on. Right off the bat, the first thing I really like is the physical design of the case and the earbuds, as you can see I'm wearing right now. Now the finishing, as you can see here, is actually matte, so it actually doesn't attract any fingerprints. Not only that, but scuffs and scratches are not so easily seen on the case. Now in terms of the earbuds, they are featherweight, very light, and they are actually very comfortable to wear thanks to the silicone seal, which are actually much thicker. Besides that, the unique shape of the case gives a firm grip in my hand, as you can see here. I'm able to easily wrap my fingers around the casing, and I don't really need to be afraid it's slipping off. The second thing I like are actually the touch controls. On my own testing, the touch controls are very on point and very responsive. It actually does not register when my finger accidentally brushes across. There is also a dedicated gaming mode to actually further reduce sound latency. And here is a look at how the controls work. The third thing which I like about this earbud is that everything just works right out of the box. The Bluetooth pairing was easy, it was fuss-free, and it was done within a couple of seconds. There's no fancy animation, no fancy applications to install, there's no firmware updates. I'm actually able to use it immediately after the pairing was done. Now, speaking of the things I like, here are a few things which I hope that PLEXTONE would be able to improve it on the next iteration. The first one would be probably the battery life. Now, the xMOWi T3 wireless gaming earphones is able to last around 4 hours on a single charge in gaming mode and around 5 hours without. The case is able to give an extra 12 hours, so it can roughly give the user a maximum of around 12 hours. Now for most cases, I would say that 4 hours on a single charge should be more than enough, especially for mobile gaming. But though, it may not be able to satisfy the most hardcore gamers, or they want to use for longer road trips. Though at this price point, I would say that if PLEXTONE is able to add an additional 1 or 2 hours, it would be a home run. The second thing which I hope that PLEXTONE would be able to improve on is actually the output volume. Even though these earphones, they are using a 10mm driver, but the volume output from the earbuds is a little bit on the low end, even when it's at 100%. The bass as well, it's also a little bit on the low end for my own liking. This is something which I hope that PLEXTONE would be able to improve it on the next iteration. The third item which I hope that PLEXTONE would be able to improve with would be the Bluetooth disconnection. Now what do I mean by that? Whenever I actually place the earbuds back into the casing, the Bluetooth connection between my earbuds and my phone, it doesn't cut off immediately, which shouldn't be the case. And this actually happens quite a number of times, and it drains the battery life of my phone, the earbuds, unknowingly. So I hope that for the next iteration, PLEXTONE would be able to better address this issue. Now that we have actually talked about the things I like and the things which PLEXTONE would be able to improve on out of the way, let's focus on the more common stuff, such as the sound latency and the microphone quality. So here is the sound latency of the T3 wireless gaming earphones on mobile gaming with gaming mode. And finally, the following segment is a series of sound clips to demonstrate the microphone quality of the xMOWi T3 wireless gaming earphones. Do put on your headset. This is how your voice will sound like on the iPhone 12 mini. This is how your voice will sound like on the iPhone 12 mini. Hi everyone, I'm currently indoors and I am doing a microphone test on the xMOWi T3 wireless gaming earphones. So do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. I'm currently doing a microphone test on the xMOWi T3 wireless gaming earphones from PLEXTONE. I'm currently walking along a busy road, so do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. I'm currently doing a microphone test on the PLEXTONE xMOWi T3 wireless gaming earphones. I'm currently inside a coffee shop indoors, so do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. I'm currently in a shopping mall and I'm doing a microphone test on the xMOWi T3 wireless gaming earphones from PLEXTONE. So do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a mic test on the M1 MacBook Air built-in microphone. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a mic test on the M1 MacBook Air built-in microphone. Hi everyone, I'm currently indoors and I am using the xMOWi T3 wireless gaming earphones to talk through Zoom. So I'm currently in the Zoom meeting, I'm indoors, I'm using the earphones. So do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. I'm currently doing a microphone test on the xMOWi T3 wireless gaming earphone from PLEXTONE, and I'm recording WhatsApp audio. So do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing. Hi everyone, I'm currently inside a shopping mall and I am doing a microphone test on the xMOWi T3 wireless gaming earphones from PLEXTONE. I'm currently doing a WhatsApp audio recording, so do let me know what you think of the microphone quality. Testing, 1, 2, 3.
Well, at the end of the day, are the xMOWi T3 the ultimate gaming earphones? Should you get the xMOWi T3 wireless gaming earphones or should you consider something else? Well, for those of you who are actually looking for something simple, works with games, movies and music, and you don't want to make your wallet cry, these are definitely worth considering since it's only under 11 US dollars. I would say that this is probably one of the best wireless gaming earphones you can get right now with only 11 US dollars. If you wish to check it out, I will include the link down in the description below, and don't forget to use my discount code. And there you have it. This has been my personal review of the xMOWi T3 wireless gaming earphones. I hope that my sharing has helped you. If it did, it'd be great if you can actually smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and activate the notification if you haven't. But most importantly, share this video with your friends who are considering to buy wireless gaming earphones. My name is Johnny, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!